Meet the Smoove, a sleek and intuitive control for Radio Technology Somfy powered products like shades, drapes, blinds, awnings, rolling shutters, insect screens, projection screens, and pergolas. This wall switch is battery operated and surface mounted for a quick and easy installation. With 7 decorative frames to choose from, the Smoove suits any decor. Natural ambiance of wood, simplicity of white and black, or a bit of silver sparkle. Enjoy the convenience of motorization and style. Control an individual motorized product or a group of products together. Visit us at somfysystems.com to learn more about Smoove and our entire range of controls.